Guys, today I'm gonna to show you how to get all the information from a profile, LinkedIn profile, from the LinkedIn URL into Google Sheets. So first of all, you will need Derrick app. So if you don't have Derrick app yet, you can go to Google Workspace Marketplace and then search for LinkedIn Derrick and install it. Then go back to your Google Sheets and open extension LinkedIn email phone finder and here Derrick, open sidebar. Then you will see this sidebar. After that, you will just need your URL with LinkedIn into one column and select the good feature in Derrick. So the feature we'll look at is the get LinkedIn profile data from URL, this one. So just click on it and then Derrick will ask you to select the column on your Google Sheet regarding the URL LinkedIn of profile you want to extract. So you can take any name you want. It will not have any problem with this. Then you will just select the good column. So for us, it's not this one, not this one, it's this one. So we'll get URL find profile. There we calculate how many lines you have in this Google Sheet. We have only 34 lines, and then we can go by clicking on Enrich. So this is okay. You can go and clicking into Enrich, or you can preview first 5 lines if you are not sure of the data you have, or if you want to test the feature before to go with a larger database. So let's try on preview. And so Derrick will only proceed first 5 lines. Okay, so this one. And as you can see from LinkedIn URL, we can get first name, last name, full name, location, headline, summary from LinkedIn profile, job title, previous job title, LinkedIn education, last education date, languages, ID, the ID of LinkedIn, public profile URL, company name, company URL, and company ID. If we found the profile, you will see found. If we not found the profile, you will see not found. If it's not found, you will not be charged for it. And as you can see, we have, for example, headlines, job titles, and other stuff. And as you can see, this one doesn't work because I don't know, but we didn't find this one. Okay. So that's all. I hope you will see, you will try this feature and you will like it. If you have any feedbacks, if you need assistance, feel free to ask. Bye.